Alright guys, so we are back at Greenway Farms, and this time we are here to bike ride. So we're gonna see how much of the trails we can get done today and enjoy being outside on this chilly beginning of fall weather day. So we're parking and we'll be pulling the bikes off the rack here in a minute. See you on the trail.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say
yes, it is going to be busier today probably. Yep.
No.
Watch people, you stay to the side.
Like that one.
Like these people, yes.
That one.
Yes, like them.
there isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow.
I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna drive one. Good job, guys.
We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
So we have to ride back up this. If we go down, we have to ride back up. We going down or we going back?
Make your decision. This is a long one.
Going back.
I don't want to ride back up it, do you?
Turn around.
Tomorrow.
We'll go and ride that woods trail again then.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Basically just riding.
As with most good mountain bike trails or hiking trails,
Yeah,
up is the first direction you go, vertical.
then down, then up.
You gotta be able to get the view, so you gotta pay to play. Well, it's a pretty killer view. We're right here on the edge of cliffs. There's a fence here, but we're right here on the edge of the cliffs, so we got a killer view.
Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side.
Stay to the right side, guys. On the right side.
Life is a lot better than the hills.
Going on this big roof. Oh! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, I can do it. You can do it.
You can do it, Mommy!
Who gives my life color? There is no another. tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you, there is no tomorrow.
All right, guys, that was a really fun ride. Definitely more my style. We attempted to do the little finger that goes out towards the Tennessee River, but after going up quite a few fairly steep areas and getting to the top of one and seeing the steep downhill going the other way, I opted to not go down it because I knew we were going to have to go back up it because it's an out and back trail that way.
So we went one way on the loop, and then we rode up the super steep hill to get to the top so you could overlook the cliffs. And then we turned around and came back the exact same way we went. So we came back down and went the trail in reverse.
Yep.
The trail itself was hard packed dirt. There were roots, there were some rocks, but it was extreme green, like super easy green. People were walking and taking strollers, and tons of people running and bikes. On our 6 bike rack, we got the red trailer, we got the green trailer, we got my bike, Kelly's bike, Joshua's, and Jackson's bikes.
Yep.
So we got 4 bikes and 2 trailers on the 6 bike rack that we have. If you haven't seen the video about our 6 bike rack, you can check that out up here. We love it. It works for all 6 bikes. It also works for the 2 different trailers that we have.
Yeah.
So we're pretty excited about that.
It's more versatile than I thought it would be. I'm very, very pleased with the bike rack that we chose.
Yeah, there was a bike rack. There's a 6 bike rack that has a wheel holder, and that works for a lot of people. But for us, because we have bike trailers and or we have kids bikes, we opted to go for this one from North Shore, and it works perfect on every size bike. It works on both of our bike trailers. We love it.
Yeah, we're not always just bringing full adult size bikes. We have kids bikes in the trailer, so it needed to be more versatile, which this fit the bill for us.
Yeah, so we had a good ride. We finished our ride just in time for lunch.
It has warmed up quite a bit.
When we first started, it was 48 degrees. It is now 63 degrees, and it is right at noon.
Yep. So we're gonna head home, have some lunch, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thanks for watching. We are on to the next adventure.